Hey everyone, Andre from PackServe here. So today we're going to take a look at our KGK-Inkjet Printer, the CCS3100. This model here is our the CCS3100P or pigment. There's two versions, the pigment and the dye, so 3100D, 3100P. Essentially, one is for black ink, such as this, and others is for colored ink, such as your whites and yellows, your grays, kind of all the colors underneath the sun. So what we'll use this for is any form of inkjet coding, whether that's expiry or batch code printing, QR codes, barcodes. You can do dates that will carry across the day. You can do offsets. You can do special characters. You can do emojis. You can kind of do anything that you want to do with this. You can upload your own images into the system as well. This is a ink-based system, so you actually top up these containers, so just solvent, makeup ink, and standard ink. This is a Japanese design machine, so we're actually the sole distributor in Australia for these. If you need any more information, please get in contact with one of our salesmen. Thanks.